Welcome to Mobile Shorts. Learn it fast, build it right, with the ServiceNow Mobile app. Welcome to this short guide on how to brand your mobile app using the mobile theme feature in ServiceNow. With the Theme Builder application, you can create a custom mobile theme and apply it to your app. This allows you to define your app's look and feel and give it a unique, branded experience. The Theme Builder supports customizing 4 mobile color types: primary, secondary, natural, and custom colors. Other settings, such as logo, font, corner shapes, and editor configurations, are available only for the web experience. And if you need to customize additional colors, you can configure them later, as we'll explain in the next slide. Beyond the basic mobile theme settings, ServiceNow also supports additional color configurations to give your app a fully branded look. By using mobile color variables mapped to web color variables, you can customize specific components across your app and ensure they reflect your brand's identity. Now let's explore a quick demo and discover how to transform your mobile app with your brand colors, creating a personalized look and delivering a better experience for your users. First, open your ServiceNow instance, go to All, and search for Theme Builder. Once inside the Theme Builder, tap on Create a Theme. Give your theme a name. In our demo, we'll call it Mobile New Theme. Now select your colors. For the primary color, let's use this color. For the secondary color, we'll choose this color. Natural color, let's go with this color. You can also add additional custom colors if you'd like. In this example, we'll add one more color to our palette. All the remaining settings, like logo, fonts, and corner shapes, apply only to the web experience, so we'll skip them here. And that's it. Your mobile theme is ready to use. Now you can apply it to your mobile app and give it the branded look and feel you want. Now let's add the new mobile theme we just created into the mobile app. First, go to the native client table and select the relevant mobile app configuration. In our example, this is our mobile app config. Let's open it. Next, in the mobile theme field, choose the new theme we created. Save your changes. Finally, go back to your mobile app, and from the launcher screen, do a pull to refresh. And there it is. The new mobile theme is now applied to your app. Now we'll show you how you can configure any mobile component you'd like. In this example, we'll update the background color of the tab bar. First, open the Figma file by scanning the QR code shown earlier. Search for the tab bar component, then right-click to inspect its properties. That's how Figma reveals the variable details. In our case, the variable color name is background secondary. Keep in mind that mobile variables can affect multiple elements, not just one. So when you update a variable, like the tab bar background color, it might also change other areas, such as the background color of the icon section. Always double-check where each variable is applied before updating it. Next, go to your ServiceNow instance. From the navigation menu, search for UX Theme Table and open the mobile theme we created earlier, Mobile New Theme. Inside the mobile color styles, locate the relevant mobile variable and copy the corresponding web variable. In our example, the mobile variable is background secondary, and the corresponding web variable is now color background secondary. Now, go to the Color Styles section, find that web variable, update its color value, and save your changes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can update any color in your mobile app to match your brand and create a polished, professional look and feel. Finally, open your mobile app, do a quick pull to refresh from the launcher screen, and there it is, the new tab bar background color applied. Here are helpful resources to get the most out of the ServiceNow mobile platform. Scan the QR codes to learn more and explore what's possible.